shut up. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Andito tayo ngayon sa St. Baptist Church para interviewin ang pinakasikat na sensation, singing sensation. Miss Dea Avero. Clap your hands, everybody. Clap your hands. Ay, clap your hands. Okay, ayaw nila. Okay. She is the singing sensation. Okay, don't move. Okay, don't move. We are here to ask some questions, personal, public, private. Okay, first question from our Twitter followers. How are you after the breakup?
Do I have to answer this question right now?
Yes, of course. Don't cover your mouth.
Can I call him first?
Break up. Okay, next question.
Thank you so much. You gave, right.
You did, okay. Kuha tayo ng tanong sa ating, mga...
Viewers!
Oo, televiewers. Televiewers natin. Enjoying the show. O sige, mag-question kayo sa ating Okay, kailan ka mag-move on? Very good question. About the movie.
Can you please answer your question?
Okay.
Move on. I don't know the move on. What is move on?
Moving on is an act of stepping forward.
Is it answer?
Very good answer. Okay. You know the meaning. Can you answer?
Actually, I don't have the...
I don't have the heart to say goodbye.
Yes. You answer your own question.
Okay, that's your answer. Okay. Wala nang tanong from the viewers.
Ang viewers nga kung para lang nasa bahay.
Anong pakialam ng ating guest about the camellia? Hindi po siya may-ari ng camellia. Next question, please.
Sino po nag-invento ng ice cream?
Pasensya na po, nansan ang ating mga televiewers. Ikaw, if given a chance, ano yung tatanong mo sa sarili mo?
Why are you still
And answer your question.
Because I don't know how to move on. I don't expect, but
Expect pa rin yun. Okay.
no, it's not expect.
It's expecting.
Sige na, feeling I don't expect waiting.
Okay. May question lang. Umbrella? Ano ba? Umbrella. Wala mo na kayo. Ang babayan yun yan.
Babalatan mo na naging.
Since ikaw ang singing sensation, can you give us a sample? Gusto namin break even by the script.
Ayoko, gusto ko ng from the bottom of my throat.
Okay, sige. Pagkita na ng talent. O sige, question.
Ano po ang album na na-ibenta doon sa publiko?
Album daw na naibenta. Wala pa.
Actually, nag-record pa lang kami.
Oo, ito na yung record.
Ano pa naging
Malicious.
sensation kung wala ka pa na nagbentang album?
Actually, siya lang ang may sabi.
Hindi naman siya album sensation, singing sensation. Ano siya?
Nagkakaroon pala tayo ng hindi pagkakaunawaan sa ating
Huwag natin kausapin ang ating televiewers. Televiewers? Sa labas ng TV? Karoon ako narialan.
Naalala ka na kasi ng interview.
Katuk Okay, kanta na. Sample. From the bottom.
Never look how I was down. Yung kanta ko, wait,
Okay.
magkanta ko. Wait. Just wait for a while and
Just for a while. By Aisa Sigera. Okay, let's all welcome Dea Madrid Abejero. Huwag ka tumawa. Huwag ka tumawa.
Dito sure nga. Ano yung siya ko yan? Ano mo siya ang kuhan?
Stop moving.
Pagkita ko sa gipo na yun.
tikal.
Liukan mo kay Cole.
9, 8, 8, 4, 9, 8, 7, 3. Ay, 7, 2, 3, Love it.
Okay, thank you so much. That was a very, very beautiful song. Kanino mo dedicate ang
I
song?
dedicate this song to the one who broke my heart. You know who you are, so I don't need to mention you anymore.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Singing sensation.
Thank you also for your
Would you like to thank anybody,
I
anyone?
would like to thank
Sponsor?
Bella for
Bella? Bella Medical.
Bella, and I would like to congratulate my friend,
Yes?
Jamil Verdad.
For what?
She's the speaker last graduation. Yesterday.
Tribute.
Yes. No, in the MSU.
Okay, yeah.
Miss
After Trillanes.
Miss Trillanes.
Oh, okay. I thought
Antonia Trillanes.
Antonia,
Trillanes the fourth.
Sonia.
I'm so sorry, Sonia. Sonia Trillanes.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. I would like also to say thank you to my friend.
She did this. You know, she did this. Don't wave. I would want.
No, okay, it's done. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching Dea TV.